Here you go. Microsoft is officially ending support for Windows 10 effective October 14th, 2025. So after October 14, 2025, you will stop getting new Windows 10 update, security patches, and technical support from Microsoft. Microsoft gave its Windows 10 users three different options. Number one, upgrade your existing Windows 10 computer to Windows 11 from Microsoft Store or from Windows Update. Number two, buy the whole new Windows 11 computer. And number three, if you still wish to keep your Windows 10 computer, you can do so by enrolling into Microsoft ENSU program. ENSU stands for Extended Security Updates. And number four, workaround. This is something I added. If you say screw Microsoft and you are not ready to buy a whole new Windows 11 computer, or your existing Windows 10 computer doesn't let you, or it doesn't meet the requirements to upgrade to Windows 11, then this workaround is for you. To learn more about what is the workaround, watch this video to the end. I will definitely explain you on that too. If you are new to my channel, my name is Gopal and welcome to my channel Go Tech Talk. Here in my channel, I create content related to information technology that you use in your day-to-day life. If you find my videos helpful, please like them and don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription and like means you are supporting my work so that I could keep on creating helpful content for you. Now let me talk some details about on upgrading your existing Windows 10 computer to Windows 11. If your computer meets hardware requirement set by Microsoft, and one of the most important one is TPM 2.0, you should be able to upgrade your existing Windows 10 computer to Windows 11 without any issue. If your computer was built in 2016 and later, you most likely have TPM 2.0 chips in your computer motherboard. If you still want to verify what version of TPM you have on the computer, go to BIOS, go to Security, and look for TPM. There you will see what version of TPM you have on the computer. And other hardware requirements are, you got to have certain generation CPU, graphic card, which most newer computer built from 2016 and later they come with. So that's gonna be the big deal. And next one, and one of the easiest way to get Windows 11 is to buy whole new Windows 11 computer. If you feel like your computer is too old and it is time to get a whole new computer, then buying whole Windows 11 computer may make sense to you. But before upgrading to Windows 11, be sure to back up your data. It is always a best practice to back up data before proceeding with any major operating system upgrade. Now let's talk about Microsoft ESU program, or Extended Security Update program. To enroll into ESU, you need to pay Microsoft $30 a year, and it will be effective until next year, October 2026. However, ESU provides only Windows 10 security updates. It doesn't provide version update. If you want to learn more about Microsoft ESU program, I have dropped the link down below in the description section of this video. Check it out. Now let's get into the fourth one, or the workaround. If you are using old computer that doesn't meet the requirements to upgrade to Windows 11, and you still wish to keep that because you love that computer for some reason, there's a workaround for it. You can install Ubuntu, Mint Linux, or any other open source operating system out there on your old Windows 10 computer. So do not toss away your old computer yet. With open source operating system, you do not get the dedicated customer support like Microsoft provides, but there's a big open source community out there. If you post any of your problem, they will likely to respond to you very quickly. So you will get forum support, public support instead of dedicated customer support like Microsoft. So there are pros and cons of installing open source operating system. If you want to learn on how to install open source operating system on your existing Windows 10 computer, check out my YouTube channel and alrighty boy. Alright. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi to my Well, that's the real life. My boy getting as I was recording the video. So if you are interested in installing open source operating system on your Windows 10 computer that doesn't meet requirements to upgrade to Windows 11, I have created a YouTube video in the past explaining on how to create a boot key, how to install Ubuntu, Mint Linux, etc. open source operating system on your Windows 10 computer. So for your convenience, I have dropped the video link down below in the description section of this video. Also, you can go to my YouTube channel and check out the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next. Bye bye and take care.